There's 3 things you should think about at the beginning when you're starting your business. You want to make sure you own the idea for your business. That's what we would call intellectual property, or IP. You have to own it, not your buddy, not your employer. It has to be you. Did you come up with it on your own or with someone else? Who helped you? Did you sign something with your employer? Is there an employee manual that says that they own everything that you create? These are the kinds of questions you need to work out. The next thing is you want to set up a business entity at the right time. Now, by business entity, I mean something like a corporation or a limited liability company. I bet you've heard of those. And the right time, that's when the business entity is going to benefit you. Business entities will primarily shield your personal assets from liability. It means that if something goes wrong at the business, then you might lose the business, but you don't lose your house or your car or your bank account. So when would those liabilities come up? Maybe when you hire workers for the first time, or you have paying customers for the first time, or when you have outside investors. Those are good times to set up your business entity. Finally, if you have a business partner, you want to put your founder's agreement in writing. And that founder's agreement is going to address 2 primary things. First, who's in charge here? And second, how do we split up the money? On who's in charge, it's like, I don't know, how many votes do we have? Does someone have a veto right over important decisions? And on the economics, it's how do we split up the profits? If I put money in to start the business, do I get that out first before we split the profit? And if there's a tax burden, who's responsible for that? All of these things can go in a simple bulleted list that you email to each other and reply with "I agree." That's a lot better than having nothing in writing, and a lot better than a complex agreement that you don't understand. So if you're a STEM professional or any other kind of entrepreneur, these are important things for you to keep in mind when you start your business. Learn all of this and more at the Master of Science in Law program at Northwestern University.